Each day, hundreds of thousands of Orange County residents live their lives in need of vital healthcare services. Contrary to conventional wisdom, these are not people on the public dole. They are working individuals and families, your neighbors, folks who earn too much to qualify for traditional assistance such as Medi-Cal, yet earn too little to afford the high cost of health insurance. Even federal healthcare reform, still years away, promises to only partially address the problem. Without a viable healthcare safety net, expensive emergency room visits increase, workplace absenteeism rises, business productivity falls, insurance rates escalate, contagious diseases spread, sending shockwaves through the health and economic well-being of our entire community. Fortunately, as the debate over healthcare reform continues, there's a forward-thinking collaborative of Orange County organizations incubating and launching on-the-ground solutions today, facing the challenges posed by the U.S. healthcare system by innovating new strategies for providing greater access to healthcare in our community. The Health Funders Partnership of Orange County. Energized by 3 primary initiatives, Health Funders Partnership, for more than a decade, has risen to the challenge in its mission to manifest a healthier Orange County. Access OC seeks out doctors, nurses, hospitals, and volunteers to provide medically necessary specialty care to low-income and uninsured local residents.
I had what you call an umbilical hernia. Having a hernia affected my lifestyle. It made it very difficult to do normal things. I had a lapse in medical insurance, and I found out the surgery was very expensive. Definitely, if it wasn't for Access OC, I wouldn't have been able to really afford the surgery. And they were definitely heroes, knights in shining armor that came, and wow.
The partnership's Diabetes Initiative focuses on the treatment and ultimate prevention of type 2 diabetes, the emerging epidemic afflicting thousands of local adults and children.
The Health Funders Partnership really has been a leader when it comes to the advocacy for many health issues, but for diabetes in particular. And they really have concentrated on advocacy for changes that are around food that's supplied to children, and exercise. So really advocating for parks and recreation places in urban areas where children may not have safe places or adults might not have safe places to exercise. And then really collaborating to make sure that we are standardizing the care of diabetics. So they really have been a leader in Orange County.
Under the auspices of Health Funders Partnership grants totaling over $3 million, more than 16,000 diabetes patients have received treatment. 100% of the county's public school nurses have been trained to screen children for the disease. Plus, scores of dietary, exercise, and educational strategies have been implemented, including a childhood obesity program that's reached over 750 local classrooms, improving fitness, providing healthy food alternatives, and organizing physical activities along the way. All Orange County children should have basic health insurance and access to comprehensive health services. That's the grand vision of the partnership's Children's Health Initiative. And already, that vision has seen tangible results, especially for uninsured families like the Magdalenos, whose daughter has a serious condition of the cranium, requiring expensive treatment.
Who can afford to be uninsured and have a medical condition and pay out of pocket for those things? I don't think there's many people who can.
Literally, we went for about 2 months, I believe, without any insurance.
But thanks to the Children's Health Initiative, the Magdalenos got the coverage they so desperately needed.
I called my mom, I called his mom, I called her. We have insurance now. It was just one of those things that as a parent, it's such a relief. Cognitively, we think that she's up to par. She's getting there. And you see her just being a happy toddler now. And that's what you want. Just a happy kid.
Ride the pony, 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 ride the pony.
Each year, the need grows larger, and the challenge to our community grows more urgent. It's clear we cannot wait for government solutions. By working in concert, we can broaden the impact while boosting the efficiency of health philanthropy and health service delivery in our own backyard. The Health Funders Partnership. The power of partnership, making a healthy difference for Orange County.